How to check if someone is using your Snapchat account. In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Snapchat, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account that you want to check whether someone is using your account or not. Once you're in this page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Head over to the settings at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings page, you need to scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Session Management inside Account section. Head over to it. In this page, you will be able to see all the devices in which your account is logged in. Right here you can see 3 different devices. But if you feel like some hackers is using your account and you want to delete it, then all you gotta do is click on this cross icon and then tap on OK. Your account will be logged out from the devices. So this is simply how you can check whether someone is using your account or not. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.